Round 2. Fight. Round 3. Fight.
It's always good, bro.
Round 4. Fight.
I went ahead and pulled a prerogative because that dude was a fucking troll. So, you taunt me one time throughout the match, I'm definitely gonna remove you. Definitely gonna exit the match. You don't deserve to play me in the first fucking place. Only in Tekken 8 can you just mash random shit with Yoshimitsu. Did we not prove that when you see Connie as Mighty Ruler? For goodness fucking sakes, this is a fake ass fucking Tekken.
Bro, Connie's a Mighty Ruler? What the fuck? I don't... ranks don't mean shit in this, man, honestly.
This is just, you know, Tekken has always been one of those games where if you just don't know what you're doing, you're not just gonna randomly do a bunch of random moves and beat me. Until 8 came out. But, you know, that's fighting games these days. Suck complete dick, mash a bunch of random shit, pop a heat mechanic, blah, blah, blah. Here's what Yoshimitsu's love to pop heat, get plus frames, and do that stupid ass giant whack ass body slam bullshit. Like, niggas are all fucking idiots. Just all do the same idiot shit. Ain't no random Yoshimitsu beating me in Tekken 7. Shit's not happening. Someone else who's broke on Wi-Fi.
Get ready for the next battle.
Yup, it's a stream sniper.
Round 1. Fight. Round 2. Fight.
He got banned? Why? Why the fuck did he get banned?
Round 3. Fight.
This random ass nigga just pressing random shit. Like, this ain't fucking Tekken.
Fight.
Not hitting. No broke ass Wi-Fi niggas are playing, yo. You broke, worthless bums. Eat a fucking dick. You fucking broke fucks. The fuck you doing up at 2 a.m. if you're Eastern? What? 5 a.m. trying to fucking stream snipe me with broke ass Wi-Fi. Eat a dick. Go hook up the fucking goddamn LAN to your mommy's router, you fucking bums.
Get ready for the next battle.
Il faut se débarrasser des forces que l'on ne peut contrôler.
Round 1. Fight.
Yo, that's a crazy ass fucking name. What the fuck?
Round 2.
This is a stream stopper, by the way.
Fight. Round 3. Fight. Round 4. Fight.
Je te tiens.
Look at this dumbass nigga just mashing buttons. Like, what the fuck is this sorry ass player doing to actually beat me besides playing Tekken 8? Like, not a motherfucking thing, bruh. God, bro, this game is just so fucking goddamn fake.
Good job, Dale. Good job, man.
All stream, like my last 5 games have been stream snipers. Mashing ass niggas, bro. It's the only Tekken game somebody could just YOLO me out in. That's the same fucking sniper from one of my other fucking tags.
Get ready for the next battle.
Alright, Kuro Cage, thanks for the sub. This is gonna be a stream sniper too. Now I believe you.
Snake Eyes has one evil before. Yeah, I know, but like recent. You know what I'm saying? Like he did win evil and Dale lost it. Yeah, man. I've been knew that shit, bro.
Round 1. Fight.
Je te tiens.
Shinblade, thank you for the 5 months, bro. Can you make this game any more fucking scrubby? Like, just woke up spamming the same shit. I'm Adrian. Shut up for the 6 months, bro. I appreciate it.
Schizophrenia, probably.
Woke up spamming again. Woke up spamming again. Wake up shit. Easy mode fucking combos. Look, do the same fucking corny body slam bullshit. All these bum niggas just keep playing with this fucking pussy ass character doing the same shit. Fucking fraudulent ass fucking Tekken game. Look at this shit. The dude waking up with the same fucking shit over and over again. Easy mode ass fucking Yoshimitsu. YOLO ass shit, easy ass shit that you can't drop in Tekken 8. Just wake up mashing, same shit. Bro, this fucking goddamn game is this. This is the fakest fucking Tekken game on the fucking goddamn planet.
Good job, Dale. Good job, man.
I'm not gonna sit there and watch this nigga keep doing the exact same shit over and over. Like, it's like I don't expect somebody to be that dumb, so it's always gonna throw me off. I'm just gonna exit, block you, and move on. I'm not playing people like that, bro. Niggas laughing in my chat without subs, you're timed out for 24 hours, bro. Mods, cook these bum ass niggas. Thank you. You can watch, but you can't chat. Get the fuck out of here. Bro, when you play other Tekken games, only people that really knew what the fuck they were doing could combo. This shit, they made it accessible where any random ass nigga could just keep repeating and rinse repeating the same fucking combo over and over and over again. The dude was waking up with just the craziest shit to wake up with. It's like when a good boxer fights an unorthodox boxer, it's always gonna throw him off like, damn, did this nigga really just do this? I don't even want to finish the game, because you don't deserve to fucking play me. You shouldn't be beating me in the fucking first place. That same fucking Yoshimitsu player, you put him in 7 and they go be lost. Wouldn't even be able to touch me. I'm sidestepping everything, nothing tracks. You're not getting no fake ass launcher to an infinite easy mode ass combo. Like, it's not happening. You're not getting no Yoshimitsu combos in 7 because you wouldn't even know what the fuck to do. Yeah, I was trying to get Fang to fucking blue right now. Z Genome, thank you for the prime. There ain't no one else in the fucking game to play. Fang and Victor, there's nobody else dope in this game to play. One of my main character is gone. Knees movement in Tekken 7, stepping and backdashing like a god. Yup, can't do it in 8, now people are beating. See how this shit works? There's just attack, like, there's no nigga that could just stand in front of me and mash buttons on me in 7. Like, I'm gonna dodge your shit, I'm gonna launch you, I'm gonna whip punish you like this. You can't do that in this game. I just hate what the fuck they did to current day fighters. I hate it. Man, fuck the Mishimas. Don't play no basic boring ass karate characters. It's too late for a lobby, I don't want to. There was no goals hit.
No goals hit.
Shoulder's not as good as it was. Neither is back one. Remember how godlike this move was? Bro, this move was godlike in Tekken 6, Tekken 7, Tekken 5, 6, 7. This move was godlike. Trash in 8. And they
this
fucking
motherfucker
made
just wants something that he can spam
Fang
all the
with a
time.
goddamn xenomorph head.
That's all he wants, bro. He just loves doing that shit. He likes the most spammiest fucking neutral moves ever. Like, to where all you gotta do is just do that shit, and it'll just cancel out whatever the fuck you're trying to do. I'm like, bro, imagine
the
like
reason why
wanting
people
to play like
brain
that.
dead
Like,
characters is because let's be
shit.
real here. Most people on this planet are underachievers, worthless bums born for nothing.
Are you talking about
So most people
underachiever?
can only get highs out of doing shit that they feel that they can excel in. So if something is made easy, the natural human selection is going to pick the easy way.
That's literally you, bro. Like, you literally just described it.
That's just natural human instinct to go with the easiest route, no matter what the fuck it is. So if somebody could feel like they want some morality in their life and do something easier than working for it, they're gonna pick the easier choice, even in video games.